Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm gonna explore you all to Google Art software, or in other words, I will show you all how to use Google Art software and how to save an image. So let's get started.
So at first I want to show you all how to use this software. First, let's search the place where you want to see it or work on it. Go to the search option, then type the place where you want to see. Like I have searched for Delhi. This is the location. Next, I will go to layer option and I will tick the layers which I want to use it, like the borders and labels. I will tick it. Now I can see the borders of Delhi and some labels. Next I will tick on roads. I want to see the roads out here. And lastly, the terrain. Okay. And in the bottom we can see the coordinates and also I think the elevation. After clicking the terrain option, next I will teach you how to take a snapshot or a screenshot. At first, go to view, reset, tilt and compass. If you want to take a screenshot of this area, then go to this option, add place mark, click it once. One pop-up appears and one symbol appears. Take this symbol and drag it with the help of your mouse and place it here. Now you can see the latitude and longitude out here. Name it. Where it will help us in future for digitization or georeferencing in any of our softwares like ArcGIS, AirDAS or QGIS. So what I will do now, I will mark 4 points out here and name it their latitudes and longitudes. Latitude is 28 degree 55 minute north. I will skip the second. Next, 76 degree 35 east. Click on OK. done. Again I will mark the second point as same as the first one. I will mark it here. Latitude 28.54 north, 77.27 minute east. Okay. So I have completed the 4 points out here now, and if you want to say change symbol, click on this symbol, then you can place any of the symbols you want to mark, like this one. See, the symbol has been changed. Click on OK. Okay, so now I have placed the 4 points. Now you have to save this image. How you can save it? Go to File menu. After that, click on Save option, then Save image. After that, again some pop-up used to appear, like map option. Untick all the options out here because I don't need any of these elements. Click on save. Then see the resolution. Go to maximum. Now you can save this image. Save it. And I will save on G drive. Now the image has been saved. Let's see the image. How it looks like after saving it. This one. This is the image. From this image I can georeference it. After that I can do digitization in any of my softwares.
So that's all for today. If you all have any queries, you all can comment me in the comment section down below, and if you all have liked this video, then please hit the thumbs up out there. And till now, if you all have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get my notifications out there. And I will be coming by next week with a new topic. So till then, see you all. Take care. Bye.